Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel MK Biology. University of Virginia School of Medicine researchers and their collaborators have solved a decades-old mystery about how E. coli and other bacteria are able to move. Researchers used cryo-electron microscopy to reveal the structure of bacteria's propellers in near atomic detail. According to this new research, bacteria push themselves forward by coiling long, thread-like appendages into corkscrew shapes that act as makeshift propellers. But how exactly they do this has baffled scientists, because the propellers are made of a single protein. The researchers used cryo and advanced computer modeling to reveal what no traditional light microscope could see: the strange structure of these propellers at the level of individual atoms.
Guys, if you want to study or know more about this research, go to the link given below in the description box. Last but not the least, if this video was helpful for you, so do like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching this video.